Okay, now let's talk about how to use passive progressive in passive voice. Here's an example of active passive progressive. She was writing a school paper an hour ago. To make it passive, we need to use the verb be in the correct past form. If it's a singular subject, the right form of be is was, and for plural subjects, were. Then we use being to show that it's a progressive form. It has ing ending, plus past participle of the verb. So what do we get? A school paper was being written an hour ago. School paper is our passive subject. The one that receives the action. Was is the past form of be, plus being, plus past participle of the verb write, which is written. Let's try another example. He was washing the car when the rain started. Let's convert it into passive. The car was being washed when the rain started. Here we have our passive subject, car, followed by was, which is the past form of be for singular, plus being, plus past participle. Now you try. I will give you an active sentence. You translate it into passive. They were drinking tequila all night. Okay, we begin with the passive subject, which is tequila, followed by the past form of be, plus being, plus past participle. We get tequila was being drunk all night. Let's try one more time. They were renovating their apartment all summer. Okay, I hope you did it right this time. Passive subject plus be in the past form plus being to show that it's a progressive sentence. Plus past participle. We got the apartment was being renovated all summer. Okay, this is it. See you in the next lesson.